there everyone, welcome to Quality Learning Solutions. Today you will be learning how to create your own videos using Microsoft PowerPoint. Please note, I am currently using Microsoft Office 365. Here we go. I have already created a presentation within Microsoft PowerPoint. My company here is QLS Home Repairs Co. Let's create our video. Ensure that on our menu bar, slideshow is selected. Now go to record slideshow, click record from beginning. I'm currently at the beginning of my presentation, so either could be selected. You'll be brought to this interface where all the recordings and editing takes place for your video. Your presentation can be annotated. Click on pen here and at the bottom of your screen, and you can annotate your diagram as you please. Let me go ahead and delete these lines. Let's begin our recording. Hey, it's QLS Home Repairs Co. If it is broken, we can repair it. We specialize in various repairs: gutter repair and cleaning, tile installation, whatever you want us to do, we can get it done. Contact us at 555-5555 or email us at info@repairs.com. Thank you. Stop your video and exit the recording editing interface. Now you will want to save your video. Go to File, Export, create a video. We have a number of quality formats that you can select from. We're going to use 4K. Create video. I'm going to save my video to my desktop. Notice I've pre-recorded my slide. This is because the rendering process will take a while. Let's go ahead and view our video. There it is on my desktop. That's it. That's your video. You can upload your videos to YouTube or wherever you wish. Thank you everyone for joining us today. Class is over. If you're not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button, leave your comments, and like and share our videos. Thank you. Join us again. And as we say in Jamaica, enough respect, man.